Kia ora whānei. So I'm back, and yesterday I went out, scored these 2 eels. So this is the first things that have been hanging on my dead rail. To explain to you what a dead rail is, it's not because dead things hang on it. It's because if you work in the works, they got what they call as a live line, and it's got moving parts on it, and you just push the sheep up, or the mutton, or the beef, and the line just moves it along. So it's a live line, and when you've got a rail like that, it's just stationary, it's got no moving parts on it, it's called a dead rail. So I'm going to I need to open these eel up. They've been hanging there for a morning. So I'm going to try and show you fellas. How I open them up. Gotta find a good place to put the old camera piece. I'm not too sure if you can see me from there. You should be able to see me from there. The secret is a good sharp knife, and you don't cut them open from the front. Cut along the back line. Yeah. Nice, good eel. This one, nice thick skin, good leather on it. Yeah, so went out yesterday to my favourite spot, and scored. First time. I might have missed. I might have cut from the top side of that bone. I crossed over. So this is a good eel, this one. This is a good eel. Caught it on the hand line. So it was quite a wow. It was nice. It was nice to have it on the line. I caught it during the day, like late in the afternoon. And yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be a creature like this, but when it was pulling back, because it went underneath the bank a bit, and was kind of hiding away under there, trying to work itself off the line, and just got it up onto the bank, and the hook broke off in its mouth. I was sitting there. I had 3 arrows with me. I took my bow out with me. I had 3 arrows. And I had this nice place of leisure. And I put 3 arrows between myself and the line, the hand line. And I stuck the hand line in the ground in the sandy bank, and tied the end of the line to it. So I was sitting back and I was watching it. It was going, tugging away, and I guess the whole world is going, Bro, aren't you gonna check your one, bro? Aren't you gonna check your one? Because it's away there. And then I'll finally decide, I'll get up and check it. Yeah, and then the beast is on there. So, what I reckon is it was chewing on the line. And then by the time I got it up, I just got it onto the bank. And then I was flinging it up onto the bank. The hook broke in its mouth. Bro. Empty but fat. The old poker is empty, but it's got the old henny lining on it. So I've got to get these eels done now, because I've got some business I need to take care of in town. And they've been hanging since this morning, or they've been hanging all night, but it rained this morning. And it wet them again. So all that drying ended up to be worthless. And this bloody eel has done it right from the start. What you say, bro. Made my knife look blunt, Alcos. Right from the start, I was trying to chop its head off. I was thinking, oh, my knife should just slice through its head like that. It's a hard time cutting its head off, or cutting its head. Oh, my knife must be a bit blunt. And then caught this young eel, and your light's gunny. Nothing wrong with the knife. Wow, the leather on that thing. No big eel. Oh, you don't want to be an amateur with a knife doing this sort of thing. You know? You've had to have had some experience of a knife. I'm in a bit of a hurry. Because I've got some business in town to take care of. But try and do it as quickly and as safely as possible. These bones might get some onions and carrots. Same with this one. Empty but fat. Empty puka cavity but fat. And my boss at work, King, hasn't had eel for ages. Oh girl. Might be some left on Monday, I reckon. But really, as well as there to see my stand-up smoker. Sorry, that's the one. The one I've been gunning for. Try and get as much through that smoker as possible, or in that smoker. It is. Some curry and some onions with that, with those bones. I'll salt this up later or to get into town. So that's it, my cozies. That's it, my cozies. Done the old pop out of the oils. Latest.